Yo, what's up, guys? It's Jesus Maldonado, back with another video. Rico Full Turtle, back with another video. And today's video, we're gonna make a Christmas ornament. Now, I've never made one before, so bear with me because it's my first time making it, and so we'll just go ahead and start. All right, so let's go ahead and start off with the circle. And I mean, we're just gonna go with the basic green ornament with red patterns. So go ahead and start off with the circle, and then we'll start off with our square. Alright, put your circle directly on top, your square directly on top of your circle. That looks good to me. So now, let's duplicate this layer. And then now what we're going to do is go ahead and, let's see, we're going to go ahead and duplicate that rectangle. And then we're going to grab the circle and the rectangle and merge them together as one. And now this rectangle, we're going to keep like that for a second. And so now we're gonna go ahead and just change the color of our ornament. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and grab this layer of the ornament. We're gonna go ahead and duplicate it. We're gonna go first. We're gonna go ahead and add this outline stroke first. Actually, we'll just go ahead and do a 12-point outline, and then put this rectangle on the bottom of our outline. And so now we have this nice thick outline. Ooh, thick outline. And now we're gonna go ahead and change the color of the ornament this time for real. So we're gonna go ahead and do a green. We're gonna go to our CMYK sliders in case we want to ever print this out. We're gonna go ahead and do like a nice green color. We'll go ahead and like that limeish green. There we go. And we're gonna go ahead and leave that rectangle that same color for now. And so now what we're gonna want to do is let's see, what do we want to do now. We're gonna go ahead and add this rectangle. We're gonna go ahead and just add some triangles to it, because what this will do will be, we'll turn this rectangle into that little gold thing that you see on top of ornaments. I don't know what you call that, but we'll go ahead and do that. So we're just going to make a small triangle. And then we're just gonna go ahead and grab the triangle and the rectangle, and then we're gonna go ahead and subtract. And now you got that little cut, and that cut looks pretty good to me. So we're gonna go ahead and undo, and then grab that triangle, duplicate it, and go back, go to the other side, and then we're just gonna go ahead and grab them and do the same process, just subtract. Grab the triangle, grab the rectangle, and subtract. And I messed up. Grab those two shapes and just subtract. And why is it not wanting to subtract? Okay, you know what, we screwed up. We're gonna grab both these shapes, both these triangles. Boom. I messed up. So we're gonna go ahead and just grab both these triangles, and what we're gonna do is just subtract them at the same time with the rectangle. So, and grab both the triangles and grab the rectangle and subtract. Why is it not wanting to do what I tell it to do? I don't know. We're just gonna go ahead and subtract it. Okay. Oh, it's because the rectangle is on top of everything. My bad. I screwed up. And so now we're gonna go ahead and subtract this. Grab both shapes, subtract it, and what we're gonna do, instead of subtracting the rectangle again. Yeah, see, because it does that. So what we're gonna do is just go ahead and grab this rectangle, and then we're gonna grab another rectangle, and we're gonna go ahead and cut it right about there. Subtract, and then we're gonna go ahead and duplicate this guy, flip it around, and now we're gonna do this. We're gonna go ahead and just put these guys together like this, and then we're gonna merge them together, and we're gonna get rid of these weird squares right here to make it more of a pointed shape. Put this in the middle, get rid of these guys, and there we go. And now we're gonna grab this triangle and put it right in the center of the ornament like that, and then we're gonna go ahead and make it a bit smaller. There we go. Now we got that little what do you call it, the little crown of the ornament. And so now we're gonna go ahead and change that into a gold color. Yellow gold. And that looks good to me. And so now we have our little ornament shape going on there. And now for this, we're actually going to put this above the ornament. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and duplicate the crown. And we're just going to go ahead and add a small stroke to this. Instead of 8 points, we'll go with a 5-point stroke. Instead of 12 points, I mean. We'll do 8 points then. An 8-point stroke. There we go. And now that looks nice. So now what we're going to do is... Actually, I don't know if I liked how that looks. We'll keep it for now. We'll merge these guys. There you go. Nope, that's the same thing. All right, so we'll just keep it like that for now. Now what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna go ahead and add the little, what do you call it? The hanger. We're gonna add the hanger for our ornament. So now what you're going to do is grab a circle again, another circle, and then we're gonna convert to curves. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab our node tool, select one of the nodes, and we're gonna go ahead and break the curve. So now you're gonna grab that node again and just hit delete. Then you're gonna grab another node and hit delete. And now we got half a circle right here, like a half a, what do you call it? Yeah, half a circle. And it's just just a stroke. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and make it shorter, and we're just bring it down here, and we're gonna go ahead and make it a little bit less wide, and then we're gonna go and bring it down, make it a little bit less tall, and now you have the little hanger of the ornament. And it's just quite simple. We're gonna go ahead and put it on beneath the crown, outline crown layer. And then now that we have that, we're gonna go ahead and do our red patterns. So we're just gonna go ahead and grab our pen tool and select one end of the ornament, and we're gonna go ahead and do like a slight. We're gonna put a point right there, like about towards the middle, somewhere close to the middle, and then we're gonna go ahead and put another one right there, and then we're gonna do the same thing backwards, zigzagging our pattern here. Just do that like that. There we go. Now that we got that going on, we're gonna go ahead and just change it into a red color. So we're gonna go to your CMYK colors and turn it into a red pattern. There we go. And this could go farther in, so you can't see the outline from the outside. And we're gonna go ahead and just play with this. Add another node right there. And then what we're gonna do is grab that bottom node, and then just turn it into a curve, and then grab that top node and convert to smooth them out. And we'll just play with this a little bit for our pattern. And there we go. That looks pretty good to me. I like that pattern. So now we'll go ahead and just bump this in here. And that looks nice. That looks good. We're just gonna go ahead and mess with this pattern a bit more, just to get it, not looking so wonky. Okay, now what we're gonna do is duplicate this pattern, and then we're gonna go ahead and just turn it upside down and just bring it down, and then flip it around, and then we're gonna just put it right there, like towards the middle. Go ahead and put it towards the middle, and then you just grab your nodes and then just hide those guys underneath that layer, underneath the stroke. I mean, there's cleaner ways to do this, but this is how I like doing my stuff. We'll just hide that in here, like that. There you go. I'll just bump this guy out a bit more out. And there we go. And now we got our pattern, our ornament pattern. And so now what we're gonna do is go ahead and just duplicate this layer, and make sure to save. Don't always save. Don't forget to save. And then we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna start doing our highlights and stuff. So what we're gonna do is grab a circle, grab a circle tool again, and just make an oval. Go ahead and just make an ellipse. And then we're just gonna go ahead and grab this same green, and we're gonna just go to our lightness and pretty much bump it up to white. And then we're going to grab the oval, and we're going to go ahead and just rotate it 45 degrees and put it right there on that corner. Top left corner. There we go. Just like that. And then now what we're going to do is go ahead and grab this circle again, and just we're going to go ahead and dupe and drag, and then dupe and drag again. And this will be the shadow of the ornament. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of these excess shapes, and this will be the shadow. So what we're going to do is bump this down to a really dark green, and we're just going to bring it over everything, our ornament right here. And if it looks weird, then just bring the shadow on top of the patterns in your layers tool, or layers panel. I always call it tool, but it's a panel. And then we're just gonna go bump the opacity down a little bit, and we're just like that. There you go. Now you got your little shadow going on, and I think that looks pretty good so far. Honestly, that looks great. That looks like the perfect ornament. Maybe not the perfect ornament, but a pretty good ornament. So now we're just gonna go ahead and change the color of the strokes. So what we're gonna do is just go to our CMYK, and we're gonna do like a dark blue. That's what we're gonna do, like a dark blue. So just dark blue. Go to the K section and just hit like 50. Just a really dark blue. There we go. And the same thing with these guys. Dark pattern outlines. Just that same color. There we go. Now it all matches. And that's it. That's our ornament, you guys. That's the quick ornament. So this is just to give you the basic shape of the ornaments and how to get an idea of how to make a quick, simple ornament. You can use this vector for any project you have. Maybe you're making cards and stuff, or like an online resource. I don't know, online image. Go ahead and use this ornament. So this is something you created. Show me how it looked. Show me your creation. Show me how it turned out, and tell me why you did what you did. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this small quick tutorial. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you want to. So thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.